Welcome to Meal Prep Mania. Today, we're diving into how to create a week's worth of delicious and healthy vegetable dishes. Meal prepping isn't just about saving time, it's about nourishing your body, reducing decision fatigue, and making healthy eating effortless. This video is for anyone looking to simplify their week and boost their veggie intake, whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice. Vegetables are powerhouses of nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants. They keep you feeling full, energized, and contribute to overall well-being. Incorporating more veggies is one of the simplest yet most impactful changes you can make to your diet. First up, a simple yet incredibly flavorful dish: roasted Mediterranean veggies. It's perfect for batch cooking and super versatile. Gather bell peppers, zucchini, eggplant, cherry tomatoes, and red onion. Chop them into bite-sized pieces. Toss with olive oil, herbs like oregano and thyme, salt and pepper. Roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, until tender and slightly caramelized, about 25 to 30 minutes. These roasted veggies are fantastic on their own, mixed into a grain bowl with quinoa or couscous, or as a vibrant side dish to grilled chicken or fish. They also make an excellent addition to salads. Next, for something warm and comforting, we have a hearty lentil and veggie stew. This one is incredibly satisfying and stores wonderfully. You'll need green or brown lentils, diced carrots, celery, onion, garlic, vegetable broth, and a handful of spinach. Sauté the aromatics, add lentils and broth, then simmer until lentils are tender. Stir in spinach at the end until wilted. This stew is ideal for freezing. Portion it into airtight containers once cooled. Thaw overnight in the fridge, or gently reheat on the stovetop or in the microwave. It tastes even better the next day. Finally, for a quick and customizable option, let's create a rainbow stir-fry power bowl. This is all about vibrant colors and fresh crunch. Choose your favorite veggies like broccoli, snap peas, bell peppers, carrots, and cabbage. Stir-fry them quickly over high heat to keep them crisp tender. A simple sauce of soy sauce, ginger, garlic, and a touch of honey elevates the flavor. For extra protein, add tofu, edamame, chicken, or shrimp directly to the stir-fry at the end, or prepare separately and add when serving. For all these dishes, use airtight containers. Portion them into individual servings for grab-and-go convenience throughout your week. Label with the date to keep track. There you have it. 3 simple, delicious, and healthy vegetable-focused meals to power your week. Happy meal prepping and enjoy your nourishing creations.